One honorable man don't come out to come finish all the people wey dey maltreat Igbo people for obodo Nigeria o. I dey greet all of una my country people. How una dey now? I dey welcome you to this segment of Wetin dey sup, where we dey bring to you from the kitchen of sim.ch Asiri FM. And I still be that your one and only personal information chef, 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa. May we hear the tori wey we carry come today. One honorable man for inside Edo State don burst out, come scandalize all the people wey dey treat Igbo people anyhow o. People wey dey talk bad about Igbo people. No be small thing o. The man burst out say he no know wetin Igbo people don do now for obodo Nigeria o. Say why una no go let Igbo people get rest of mind for their own country? Him say Igbo people don contribute so many things to the development of obodo Nigeria. He say from sports, say Igbo people don put in their sweat and blood to make sure say Nigeria dey come first for sports in the world. He say for literature, say so many Igbo sons and daughters don do their best to put obodo Nigeria for the world map. He say for science and technology one, say Igbo people don try well to develop obodo Nigeria. Say wetin come be that thing wey Igbo people do wey make everybody for Nigeria dey hate them. E no end there. Him still go ahead come talk how some of him own Yoruba people dey get bad belle for him own success because say them think say him na Igbo man. Make e no be like say na me talk am o, and una no say too much talk no dey full basket. So e go better make you carry your chair jeje come close, make we sit down chook eye for the video, make we see as him take talk am. Make we chook eye for the video. Come there kwano.
In Owerri, the Hausa quarter market at Warri has been there for years. I grew up to meet them. Why do you hate Igbos? Igbos have contributed to the military. Igbos have contributed to science and technology in Nigeria. Igbos have excelled in sports, if not dominated sports. They've shed their blood for this country. Okwaraji died playing for the Super Eagles. Okwaraji died playing for Super Eagles. Christian Chukwu, what's the other person? The goalkeeper's name, Okala. Igbos have sacrificed their lives for the good of this nation. Igbos have contributed to literature. Igbos have held Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Obiora Kwesili-Eze, Chinua Achebe. Who will I mention? Igbos have contributed to the development of this country. They have excelled in all aspects of the world. Why do you hate Igbos? I'm not an Igbo man. But why do you hate Igbos? Simple reason. Any political midget like El-Rufai, any intellectual dwarf, sees an Igbo man as a threat to his relevance in his immediate community. So it falls back to tribalism, falls back to regionalism, falls back to religion to compete, to outdo the Igbo man. An Igbo man is a hard-working man. An Igbo man is a Republican. He does not bow his head before any person. An Igbo man is a frugal person. So he comes to your community, he will do menial jobs, save his money, live a frugal life, then build a big house. And you are lazy there being an indigene. Lagos is your own. Who told you that? An Igbo man is frugal. In my community, at Ugeli, one woman didn't know I was an Urobo man, that I was born in Ofoma in Ugeli. He was telling another woman, you know, see how we Urobo people foolish. See this Igbo man when come here just now. If they carry our money with his wife, they go. Who give you money? Shut up your dirty mouth. When I was bus driver in the school, when I was cleaning toilet in the school, when I was gate man in the school as a medical doctor, when I had only 2 shoes, I don't wear wristwatch. Excuse me. I don't wear coral bead. I don't throw my money anyhow. I'm in the farm and I'm going to peel cassava. Then when you see me get rich, you say, see this Igbo man, they come carry our money go. Stupid human beings. What did Igbo man do to you? What did Igbo people do to you people? You killed them during the Civil War. You told them that you were going to reconcile with them. You don't want them to, you want them to keep quiet in their own country. What did Igbo people do to you people, for God's sake? One of my elders recently, or is he my age mate, because he heard on radio when I was talking about Igbo people, he said you can never trust an Igbo man. An Igbo man is this, an Igbo man is that. Then immediately after that, he started complaining about an Urobo lawyer who was taking his land, suppressing him, oppressing him. Is that an Igbo man? Don't we have oppression in this community where I come from? The Igbo man is hardworking. He takes everything he does very seriously. This nonsense must stop in this country. If you don't want the Igbos, let them go. Let them go peacefully. You can't suppress an Igbo man in his own country. If you think that Peter Obi is because he's an Igbo man and he can't rule us, you lie. He has a right to rule this country. Excuse me. Any small thing you can burn Igbo businesses. Any small thing you can kill Igbo people. Any small thing you must destroy Igbo people. A cartoon will take place. A cartoon will take place. Olajide Shukami, please shut up your dirty mouth. You are part of the tribal bigots who say nonsense in this country. Shut up your dirty mouth. Shut up your dirty mouth, Olajide Shukami or what? Shut up your dirty mouth. You are part of the people, the problems in this country. Part of the problems. You are not a typical Yoruba elite. Afenifere will not talk the way you are talking. I'm not promoting division. I'm saying the simple truth and shut up your dirty mouth or get out of here. I don't tolerate people like you. Olajide, shut up your dirty mouth and get out of my post. You tribal bigots. You are so afraid of saying the truth. I'm not promoting division. I'm speaking the basic truth. Speaking the basic truth. We can't treat the Igbos as second-class citizens in our own country. And you expect people like me to keep quiet. Rubbish. Rubbish. You starved these people during the Civil War. You nearly destroyed them. And then you come here and want the Igbo man to keep quiet. Do you know the investment Igbos have put in this country in terms of blood and sweat and intellectual power? Then you stay in your local community, either in Yoruba land or Hausa land, where you, or the north, or in Yoruba land or anywhere, where you have a little comparative advantage. You want to talk to the sixth richest tribe in the whole world, the fourth most traveled tribe in the whole world. Intellectual Yorubas don't discriminate against Igbo. That's why the mother of the governor of Lagos State is Igbo. The governor of Lagos State is married to Igbo. That's why Davido's grandmother also is Igbo. And their delegates speak Igbo. You midgets. You midgets. Godwin, I won't take it easy. I'm very angry. I'm very angry. Very angry. They will do it to my grandchildren because my grandchildren are going to answer Igbo names. I have an Igbo in-law. If we allow one injustice in our generation, the injustice will continue. Obasanjo is crying now when Obi is deprived of justice. Did Obasanjo not enjoy the privilege of PDP rigging elections? Did Obasanjo not enjoy it? Very wicked Nigerians.
Yes, now. Shebi you don't hear am as me too take hear am. E go make better sense if you chook mouth for the matter by dropping your opinion on the comment section down below. May we know what you carry for mind. And now here we go draw the curtain for this particular segment of Wetin the Soap. Don't forget, I still be that your one and only personal information chef, 042 Solex, Onyakukuwa, operating the oven of Sim.Siha, Asiri FM, Kemesiano.